Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom manchow soup. First, gather your ingredients. About 200 grams of fresh mushrooms, a 2-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 green chilies. Finely chop all your vegetables. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready and prepare a cornstarch slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or wok over medium heat. Add the finely minced ginger and garlic, sautéing them for about 1 minute until they release their wonderful aroma. Next, toss in the chopped green chilies and your sliced mushrooms. Cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes until the mushrooms soften and release their moisture. It's time to build the soup's rich flavor. Carefully pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, along with a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, slowly add your cornstarch slurry, stirring continuously for about 1 minute until the soup thickens to your desired consistency. To finish, ladle the hot mushroom manchow soup into bowls. Garnish generously with fresh chopped spring onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve it immediately, perhaps with some crispy fried noodles on the side for that authentic crunch. It's a truly comforting and flavorful dish. Also, for other great deals and to check out that smart robot vacuum, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.